Hi everybody, this is Mr. Roche, and we are working with our smiley face program. And what we were trying to do is trying to make do better control over this eye, and then do something with this, and then possibly do something with the mouth. Okay, to kind of make it do different things. That's sort of the idea. We're trying to learn how to control animation, basically. And on mine, yours actually might not do this, but in on mine. Um, what I notice is mine goes too long because basically I might have changed the max eye. I might have set this max eye variable to, too early. Because basically I think what I did was I was sort of moving around things and I created a max eye width. Um, and then what I did was I actually changed it to EW2. So actually, what I want to do here is I want to say max I equals EW2. Okay, because it was just something I was making while I was experimenting. Okay, and so if I do that, I think mine will go to the right length now. See, that's better. That's sort of what we wanted. It would be cool if we could get them to, and that's awesome. It would be cool if we could get them to like wink from the middle. That's sort of a challenge for everybody. And what we also want to do is get him to wink both. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is what I want to do is just show you like basically how to make them wink both, and it's pretty easy. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go if we just say here and change this is in the code for draw smiley. So we're drawing a smiley. Okay. We did all this work to draw the black ring and draw the eye. This is all good. And then at this point, what we're doing is we are drawing each eye. Okay, so this is where this happens. And what we did in class is we changed this variable. So this is an x, this is a y, this is a width here, and this is a height. So if we change the height to like eye height, it'll whoopee. Okay, if I do that, then what it'll do is it'll start winking like this. And that's good, right? We like that. He's cute. Okay. And that's good. And I don't know if you guys did this or not, but when we create the I think we did this in class. Is that we do is we set up a timer to do them separately and do them differently. I think it's kind of fun that they do it a lot, right? So I might like slow this or speed this up a little bit by going like that. So it's going to be some random number between 10 and 70. So it would be like 10 and 80 there. So let's try that, see if that works better. Yeah, kind of like that. And they're all sort of different. You can see like 8's different than 4. And you guys can mess around with that. But what I'm looking for is, from you guys, is to see if you guys can make one eye go up and one eye go down at the same time. Okay? So I made some changes to the program. I guess I just want to see a super good effort on this to see if you can do it. I got this going. So this is what I'm looking for. This is kind of fun. We can work on trying to get them to go in the middle in class. I don't know how much more I want to do. If you can also get the mouth to do something, that would be super cool. And I think that's pretty good for this. This is going to be a challenge for you to try to figure out how to run two things at once. I'm not sure. I think you might have to have a different variable for each of the eye widths. That's kind of a hint. Like I did it this way. And then I tried really hard to figure out a way that I wouldn't have to do so much work to add the second eye. And this is one of the things about coding is that when you have a sort of a version one and you have a kind of a thought plan for it, making a change to it sometimes really architects or rocks like what you originally had planned. And so like an easy thing sometimes can be kind of hard. But give this a try. And I guess make me like a short video that shows me what you did and what your plan of attack was and what the result was. And so even if the result doesn't work, if the plan's explained well, you can get a lot of credit. Okay? So thanks and talk to you later. Bye.